Hi, I'm George Mayfield with GR's Workshop, and this is the demonstration of my Cnc Shark Pro operation. This is the software that runs the controller for the Cnc Shark Pro, and here is activation of the X, Y, and Z codes. So this is your Y code. As you can see, it's moving. Yay! Both directions, and here's the X-axis movement in both directions, and the Z-axis in both directions. Isn't that exciting? Okay, I'm going to show you the operation of the router itself. It has a variable RPM on the top, from screaming to low. It is a Bosch Colt router motor, and that's pretty much it. The ball lead screws are all in great shape. They're clean, fairly clean. Everything operates well. And now I'm running a program from the Cnc Shark control panel. This is a cross. Maybe if you zoom up on that you can see it, but I've loaded the file. You hit run and it's loading the file, and as you can see, it's doing its thing. Of course, I don't have the router running right now because it's noisy. Okay, I'm going to hit the E-stop because I just don't care about the rest of it. So anyway, there you go. It runs. Yay. Hey, thanks for watching. While you're here, maybe you can check out some of my GR's Workshop videos for your entertainment and enjoyment. And be sure and give me a like on Facebook, would you please? I would appreciate it very much. All right, have a good day. Bye.